How to delete or uninstall Chrome from Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will learn how we can uninstall or delete Google Chrome from your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. So on your Android device, Google Chrome is your system application, so you cannot remove or delete it, but you can disable it. So to disable Google Chrome, you have to open up settings, head over to your apps, tap on see all apps, head over to search icon at the top right. Now you could search for Chrome. Head over to Chrome. Here you have an option to disable. So tap on disable and confirm it by tapping on disable application again, and that will hide Chrome from your application drawer and it will stop it from running, but you cannot uninstall or delete the Google Chrome like other regular application on your Android device. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.